Okay, there's a quickie with Ontario. I'll see what else we can do. There's 2 out of 2. See who else I can find. See who else we can find. Oh, by the way, that last guy, he copied my call wrong. Who cares? I'm just playing. See, now here's a Kilo 4. He's operating in the Ontario QSO Party, so I'm not calling him because I'm not in Ontario, right? Boy, I'd love to though. He's got a great signal, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm hoping to see if this antenna can work some NVIS contacts. I've already worked DX with it, one contact or two, but I want to see primarily what it can do for NVIS work. And so I don't know. I don't know who I can work. Ontario is not a problem, but Ontario is only across the lake. It's on the other side of Lake Huron, so it's not that far away, you know, a couple few hundred miles, and you're in Ontario. I want to work some stations around the Midwest, and I'll see. I'll come back to it this evening and see what I hear, and maybe be able to capture a few more quick contacts to post. 73. So this contest where they're signing /MM, what it is a World Amateur Radio Day contest on HF, VHF, UHF, SHF. And the exchange is just RST and QSO number. And so what I did was I moved my that wire to the 36-to-1 tap, and I jumped up to 20 meters. And let's see what we can do. I really haven't given this thing a try on 20 meters yet. So let's see if we can scare up a contact or two here. Whoops. I always do that, man. I'll go to send my call and my side tone's turned off. And now QSB is getting him. Yeah. Okay, so there you go. That's November K. I cannot talk. November Tango 6 X-ray. I assume he's in the 6 call area. You never know anymore. But if he is in California, that's not bad. First call, one contact, man, with a piece of wire 6 feet above ground level on 20 meters, where it's a full wavelength long wire. And I'm running 10 watts RMS. I have it set to 11 because that'll force my meter's a tad off. That'll be 10.5 watts RMS output, and I feel that that's the power level I've chosen to use for CW for all future testing. So, because I believe it perfectly represents what you might use in the field if you have to. I'll see what we can do here on CW, and this evening I've got a lot of work to do this afternoon. This evening I'll try to make some phone contacts and see. And again, on at least on 40 meters, I'm interested in NVIS contacts here. That's it. On 20 meters, we'll see what we can do. See who we can hear and who we can work, right? 73. Okay, so there's a K0E on 20 meters. I don't have my logger running, so I don't know what state he's in. I'll look all these up later and put them in the whatever you call it, the info section. I'm not a YouTuber. I don't know what the hell you call that thing. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Okay, I'm getting kind of bored with it, and I've really got to get outside and mow some grass, but it's kind of crazy. Snowing last night, and today it's time to mow. So it's that time of year, man. I screwed up. I haven't been jotting down. I haven't been logging these contacts, and I haven't been jotting them down. And what happens is now this guy, I'm going to try working him, but I think I might have already. Because he's a K0FX, right? In pursuit of NVIS testing. I want to try to work another K0 for sure. QSB is kind of nasty, but I'll try. You want to hear him send the word dupe? Hang on. Oh, he made me work. He's a trooper, man. He stuck in there. He hung in there for the long haul, and we got it done. Anyway, I'll look these calls up later to see what state these guys are in, but he's in the Midwest somewhere. He's a zero call area. So that's fun. This 6-foot high wire does seem to be working fine for NVIS work, both on 40 and 20 meters. We'll find out a little more later this evening, and I'll try to make some single sideband phone contacts. So later. And in the final days of variant 9, are those the governor's foot soldiers passing by, ready to trounce me under boot for committing the cardinal fucking sin of opening a Michigan garage door. May God help us all. May God rid us of the governor tyrant's foot soldiers.